There's only one word after the move that we found from the benchmark Nifty, and I think it's impressive. Good evening, traders. It's 1 minute past 9 o'clock at night. We are on the 1st of November 2021. Start of a new month, a new week, Monday morning, and in the afternoon, the index closes impressively up almost 300 points, 293 points for the Nifty futures, name on futures, to end the day at 18008. Pretty good. In fact, it was the 75-minute chart that I was showing you before. And let's just align this. Yes. So a couple of takeaways. Number one, in our last discussion, we spoke about 650, 750 as short-term supports. Not bad, and it did hold. And we spoke about the psychological 18K mark, which should act as the short-term resistance, and that is where the index is closed, and it has come in just a matter of one day. If you take a look at this correction, this recent complex correction, the VWAP comes close to 18127, and the point of control from volume profile comes around 18150. So you can very well expect from 18100 onwards towards 18150, you can start to face some resistance. Or am I probably expecting a 50-100 points more from the index? I do not sense so, because this low, this particular low from where we had this short-term bounce back, this is exactly where the index has come in. This low was previously an high as well. If you take a look at the the volume profile, how the volumes, these histograms are spread throughout this recent sell-off, this was shallow, and the volumes have started to pick up from 18K onwards. Bottom line, we have a bounce back in a short-term downtrend. Generally, if the downtrend is strong enough, the short-term bounce back do not last. Within a day or two max, if you see the index dropping below that 17800 again, then it's gone, and then you brace yourself for 450, 350 easily. If there's merit in this bounce back, then it will try its best, number one, to take out 18K, which marginally it has done today. But rather than taking out 18K, the most important thing will be to sustain above that 18K mark. And if it manages to deal with 18, and we just saw 18100, 150 as the stronger resistances, so it's going to face some stiff resistance between 18 and 18150. Support from sectors, support from stocks, especially the large cap ones, are going to be important. We have a important week. We have celebrations of Diwali, the Samvat, Muhurat trading. So happy times, bright times, and probably the index will try its best to support that sentiment with some more gains. But let's not get emotional about the market. It's more about the trends and the numbers. I would be a little careful to see how it deals with 18K. Let's say 18 all the way to 18150. Let's mark this so that it's easier for us when we create the next video. Let's mark this zone. So this is where it's going to probably slow down, and it's very likely that it will slow down. It's got some very good movement from the sectors, starting from real estate, metals, media, IT. IT can be a very interesting sector going forward. Stocks like HCL Tech and especially TCS. Keep a close watch in those. Bank Nifty definitely is an index that should play a role now. We had a great run on the upside thanks to ICICI Bank and then the PSU banks. We had rather than the Nifty, you can see that Bank Nifty has given just one-legged correction. Nifty has given a two-legged correction. So the outperformance is definitely here in Bank Nifty. So if you take a look at the 75-minute time frame, this index has also given a nice bounce back. So overall, if the support comes in from the sectors and the stocks which matters, I think there's chance. How should we approach it? Strategically, I think we should maintain a slightly cautious, careful approach, because the nature of this correction is different, and we've been talking about this for a couple of weeks now. The way the small and mid caps got beaten down, the way stocks like IRCTC and others. There were few which cracked really hard. This is slightly different, so we need to be a little more careful. Clarity comes, I think, if 18K is failed to sustain, then definite a lot of clarity comes in, opens up on the downside. It's the upside which seems to be a little more staggered now. The upside of above 18K, 18100, 150, then probably 350 and all. It seems to be a little staggered on the upside. So let's be careful, cautious. Going for long trades, keep it short term in nature. Contrarian short positions, one can be interested to see if you can go for it. Option traders will be more keen to sell 18,300, 400 calls. I have not checked the build-ups, but very likely I think the 300, 400 calls will have some serious writings in today's trade. I would like to restrict myself to the index today and not go into too many stocks. Bharti Airtel we've been talking about, so do take a look at that and the large cap IT stocks for the next couple of days. Till then, trade well, take care of yourselves, and I'll be back with the market wrap again tomorrow evening.